Welcome back to the Holiday Road Travel Vlog. We are moving right along, crossing the list of states we visited off. And today we are in the state of Idaho, which is like 35, 36, somewhere in there, the states we visited. But anyway, there's potatoes everywhere. We are on our way somewhere very cool. A couple months ago, I was on a website looking up a list of places that were most likely to become the next national park. And one of the places I saw pop up time and time again on various lists was Craters of the Moon National Monument. So really cool national area. It's supposed to look like the moon, volcanic activity. We don't really know what all we're getting into, but we're about an hour away on the road through Idaho, and about to see something brand new and exciting for the first time. This drive out here is wild. It's totally abandoned, empty, nothing. No gas for 50 miles, so load up when you see a gas station. Start to finish all your sentences. Per usual, we got sidetracked to EBR-1, which is the world's first nuclear power plant. So there's a free atomic testing museum, and so we pulled off the half mile off the main drag over to Craters of the Moon. So we're gonna go in and check things out. Kind of feels like a video game set. I know. They do offer hourly guided tours, or you can grab a map, and they have pit stops for self-guided tour, which we're trying to do this quick, so we opted for that route. Deanna, you want to tell us what you're doing?
I'm standing on top of a nuclear reactor, I guess.
Whoa.
I
That was cool. I'm sure we didn't spend near as much time as we should have. Certainly not the hour suggested, but we've got places to be. But it is entirely free. Really cool information. You could easily spend an hour there. So we thought all the atomic stuff meant bomb testing, but actually not. It's just nuclear power, but still pretty cool. All right, our first stop here in the park is the visitor center, because there are lava tube caves here in the park, and you need a permit to be able to go into them. It does not cost you anything extra, but you do need to stop at the visitor center ahead of time to grab this permit so that you're good to go for the cave. So we're excited. This place looks otherworldly. Walking the North Crater Trail, which is super cool, boardwalk style hike, really easy. One of the first stops off of the main road. There is a fee to get into the park, but we just renewed our America the Beautiful Pass for $80. Get you into every national park in the country for one price, and now we're ready to go for our other adventures this week. Number 2 of this amazing Craters of the Moon park. So we're at the Devil's Orchard hiking trail. It's only a half a mile loop. It's paved, handicap accessible, and gives you some more of these awesome views of this amazing landscape.
The craziest thing to me about this trail is it's so quiet. There's like no birds or like bug sounds here. So if you stop and listen, it's just like the sound of the wind.
This trail is okay, but you're not going to see much here that you wouldn't see elsewhere in the park. So if you have time, do it. If not, we'd probably recommend this as one that's okay to skip. at 90 degrees, we decided to skip the massive Inferno cone hike behind us and are opting to go to the next one instead, which are the Spatter cone hikes. Much easier viewpoints that show the valley. So the first of these two cones we're looking at is called snow cone. There's actually snow at the bottom of the well. Oh my gosh, this one goes way down. The sign back there said these are some of the rarest volcanic structures on the face of the earth. Really cool. They call them spatter cones. There's two off this lookout. All right, we're at our final stop in the park, which is the one we're most excited about, which is the Lava Tube Caves. So we got our permits and we're ready to go. Two of the caves are closed. We just got out of Dewdrop Cave. It is so cool. It goes way back there. And you can just kind of climb as you want. There's no paved trails. But there's one more cave that's open, and that is the Indian Tunnel. So we're heading there next. I heard this one goes back even further. Babe, what did you think of your lava tube experience?
That was pretty crazy. I'm not really much of a climber, but we managed and it was really cool.
You guys have the wind blowing here to prove it, but we're here to tell you that Craters of the Moon National Monument absolutely is worthy of national park status. We had a blast. Hopefully you got to see a little bit about the park. We're heading off to Yellowstone, so make sure you are subscribed to our channel to see our future videos. We just did a big series on the Midwest as well for all of your travel ideas. I'll give you a little bit of an idea of where to visit in each state. Thank you for watching.